Namaskar and welcome. Today, let's take a closer look at a project that blends elegance, comfort, and convenience. Guess what is the project? It's none other than Brigade Citrine. Join me as I walk through this beautiful community. So, let us see step by step. See, this is the prototype of the entire project. This prototype explains you what and all going to come near your apartment and what is the basic amenities and best features which you will get in and around the apartment. One of the best feature of this apartment is it is a zero wastage, like whatever the water they use for construction they are reusing it. Nothing is wasted in this community. That is the major tagline which Brigade Citrine is specialized for. They have enabled the proper recycling unit over there. That is one of the special feature, and it is located in the main road as well, which provides you a proper connectivity to the city. See, if you look at this map, you can find what and all it is connected near to this project. It can be a railway station, it can be a mall, it can be a school, it can be a IT park. You can find whatever which is nearby. And now I am going to take you see what and all the materials used for construction in this apartment. It can be a tile, it can be a flooring, it can be a steels which they use, it can be a handle. So for door, what type of material has been used, everything is explained over here. And this is a model apartment which I am going to take you inside. See the height of this entrance, so which will be a proper 9 feet, so which will be elegant. Once you enter inside, you will find a foyer. Then comes the living room. See, living room is quite spacious in this apartment. Living room is connected directly to the balcony. See, you can design this living room as per your wish. As per my knowledge, if you save this video and if you do the same kind of interiors, you can find yourself as a better home, because these people would have been designed it with some elegance. You can change it for your choice also. Especially I like this screen area. So once we open, we will feel like a heroine once we open this. So explain whether it is, if you stand there and if you feel yourself as a heroine, imagine that and you can buy this apartment. So you will have a nice look. Once you open that screen, you can enter your balcony where you can do gardening, or else you can arrange this as your private space. Like private space in the sense you can meditate there and you can see the view of the outside. As per the apartment you choose, it may vary. You may see the amenities view, or you may see the swimming pool view, or you may see the roadside view. Whichever the apartment you prefer, as like your balcony view will be. Then coming inside, you will be having a master bedroom and a guest bedroom and a study room. That is the features which we have here. Even we have the options from single BHK to 4 BHK here. See, this is the bedroom which is quite spacious, and we have attached dressing room as well and attached bathroom and washrooms as well. See, this is master bedroom, so where you will get all your facility, and you can design this master bedroom as per your convenience. You can convert that dressing space into a better one if you like to convert it. So if you have some private space inside your room, that is quite better, so no one is there to disturb. Then now come, let us go to the second room. This room, especially if you design for kids, it will be very nice because it is quite brighter on. And again I say you, however you choose your apartment, your brightness and everything depends on that. So if you choose and if you rush, you can choose whatever you like. So if you like this, then go choose it immediately. If you want to choose, you can choose through us also. See how ventilated the room is. Kids have to be there in the ventilated room so that they feel mind fresh, so that they can study and they can engage their activity without any electronic devices. They'll be away from mobile phones and TV, everything they'll be away. If they are ventilated, they'll be having the view of roadside. or they'll be seeing the kids playing in the amenity area, and this will encourage them to go and play with the other kids. It will give them the space for interaction with the kids. So like this you can design. Then comes the guest bedroom. However you design this room, likewise you will be priced by your guests. Already they will be happy when you have these amenities, everything. So if you design their room very well, they'll be quite happy. If you design this room with the same kind, it will also be good. If you want to customize, then you can customize. But cupboards and flooring, everything, whatever these people did in this particular model apartment, it is very good. So if you want, you can visit. If you want to visit, please contact us on the displayed number, so that we will help you in the end-to-end process, and we will have some offer from our side also. So I won't disclose the offer in the video. If you want to know about the offer, please contact me on the displayed number. I'll give you the best offer, and you can post it on the comment section also. And this is a wonderful area which are beauty queens of our home like, that is kitchen. So here one of the best option is you are having utility and kitchen by the side, so that they can complete their washing process also immediately. They can do dual works, and it is guaranteed that they will never bother or trouble anybody, and they'll be having entire view of the home, what the kids is doing, what their partner is doing, everything will be monitored from here. The kitchen is very beautiful. It is designed very nice.